So here we go, second flight on the same day, flying formation, if that's what we call it.
Yeah.
Flying reasonably close together with the amazing Cessna 182s on 4S3700 pack, which is heavier than recommended, but still flies really, really well. So let's give it another go, Adrian.
Okie doke.
Well, yes, we're going to... Way, we did it. All right.
All good.
All good. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Roger. Yup, yup. Keep it lower. Reverse the circuit.
Oh.
No laughing on camera.
Sorry.
Do the 8. And we'll do a loop coming around this time. Okay. I'll go far out this time. Full power now. Yeah. And we pull in 3, 2, 1, go. Look at that. Going half flat in 3, 2, 1, go. Behind on it. Go round. I'll go further out if you want to take lead.
Okay, take lead and I'll stay close into the thing.
Yeah. And let's go opposite circuit.
Alright. Still on flat.
Yeah, still on flat. I'm close in.
Into the middle.
Okay, flat off. Let's go up the field and stall turn at the other end.
Okay, the upwind then. Okay, which way do you still turn?
Whichever way it looks good.
Power on. Pull it up.
And off and kick it over.
Look at that, into each other.
And same as then, power.
Curve.
go around.
Yeah. I'll stay low. Okay, keep it wide. Yeah. Turning in now.
Bit closer. Do that again.
Yeah, do it again. I'll come closer in this time. It's hard to do. It's hard
Oh,
to do.
yeah.
Again.
Okay, going round again.
Coming up.
Better.
You do roll a bit.
Rolls in the middle. Yep. I'll go far out, you go close in. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
That's good.
Alright, and then thinking about landing, right? Next one round.
We go then.
Yep. Landing next time round. And we'll go half flap after we've completed the final turn.
Okay.
Go close in.
I'll go closer. Half flat down. Too bad. Flaps off. Formation.
Formation.
Was yours a sympathy crash?
We do
or?
everything in formation. So I think that really proves that practice does really help. Well, definitely a lot better on that second one, and I really enjoyed doing the mirror, kind of trying to stay above but inverted over you. The right way up was a lot of fun to do, but very, very difficult.
Yeah, it's getting
And-
the throttle right as well. Isn't
Yeah,
it?
getting everything right, and not looking at yours while I'm looking at mine.
I know.
Very, very difficult, but
But
so
great
much
fun.
fun. Great,
Yeah.
great fun. So the link for these Cessnas in the video description and the pinned comment. They're not a lot of money for what they are, I have to say, compared to other models of the same size. So well worth looking them up, and look at the discount code that I have as well that you could use to get, I think, 10% off, which is pretty good. So again, thanks to Adrian for being brave enough to fly with me. Thanks
Enjoyed
to
it.
Yeah, thank you. Thanks to Nick on camera, and be back soon on Essential RC. Bye. Cheers. Thanks, Nick.